Hey there, thanks for clicking. In today's video, virtual information sessions are coming up for families enrolling their kids in pre-K. We're going to share the dates, times, and how to sign up, plus more school choice fairs that you're going to want to know about. We're also spotlighting the Kashmere High School Marching Band and hearing from one of its members. And we're going to tell you where to watch tomorrow's MLK Jr. Oratory Competition. It is Thursday, January 15th, and let's get started. Well, we're starting with an important pre-K update for families with little ones. As a reminder, the HISD pre-K application opens January 21st. That's next week. And to help families get ready, we're offering virtual parent information sessions. Now, these will walk families through the application process, answer questions, and share helpful tips. They'll be offered in English and Spanish on January 21st and January 28th at various times. Now, to join, families will need to scan a QR code. Those are available on our School Choice website. Now, here's how to find them. Go to schoolchoice.houstonisd.org. Click on the pre-kindergarten button. Then select the pre-K events tab at the top of the page. And there you're going to find the QR codes, a complete pre-K application timeline, and additional resources to help you prepare. I'm also putting direct links to all of this in the video description right below. And for families with older students, this is your reminder. School Choice Phase 1 applications are still open through February 27th. Now, families can select up to 10 schools during this window. We also have school choice fairs coming up. These events bring magnet and choice programs together in one place and offer help with the application process. The next fair is February 7th, followed by another one on April 11th. Those details are on your screen and once again on the School Choice website. Well, now it's time for Campus Close-Up. We're at Kashmere High School this week. I caught up with Principal Brandon Dickerson to talk about all the great programs and courses helping his students prepare for life beyond high school. Kashmere also shines, that is, in the fine arts, including the Mighty Ram Marching Band. That's the focus of a news story that we just posted today. Now, I spoke with senior Eric Dalcour about his time in the marching band and what's next as he prepares to graduate. His music journey isn't stopping. He also tells me that he's heading to Texas Southern University and has his eyes set on the TCU band. You can watch the full story on the channel right now. And a reminder, the MLK Jr. Oratory Competition is happening tomorrow. Each year, 4th and 5th grade students from Chicago, Dallas, and right here in Houston take to the stage to share original speeches inspired by the teachings of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Now, the competition starts at 10 a.m. tomorrow, and we'll be live streaming it right here on the HISD Now YouTube channel. You can find the link in the video description of this video right here. And don't forget, our regular board meeting is happening tonight. It started actually at 5 p.m. and you can watch it right now on the channel or on our website. That's HoustonISD.org. And we'll have a full recap tomorrow. But that's it for today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you right back here tomorrow.